Coach. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang kawan ng Coach.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rowell. Thank you for everything. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Coach Ruel. God bless you.
Hi po, Coach Ruel. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi and see you soon. Training na tayo, Coach. And yun lang. Starbucks na tayo. Let's go!
Happy birthday kay Coach Ruel Velasco. Isa ka Olympian coach dira sa National Boxing Team. Coach, along permi ka, God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Coach Roel.
Happy birthday, Coach Ruel, and thank you sa palaging pagsuporta sa amin at pag-focus sa training sa amin na maging malakas na boxer din someday. And thank you for inspiring us to be an Olympian just like you are. And mahal ka namin kahit pinapaalmusal mo kami ng suntukan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Coach Ruel. Thank you sa lahat ng turo mo sa amin, Coach, lalo na sa mga advice mo sa amin. Coach, God bless you and ingat ka palagi. I love you so much, Coach.
Happy birthday, Coach Ruel. God bless you.
Cute yung
Happy birthday po kay Coach Ruel Velasco, coach ng Philippine Boxing Team. Maraming salamat po sa mga turo. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless. Sana makabalik ako dyan.
Hi po, Coach. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life po and more candles to blow. Long life po and sana po maka-training tayo together. See you soon po, Coach. Bye-bye.
happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Hey! Jerome! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa, be! Kiss Papa, be!